To install a blade onto the Logan FoamWerks Straight Cutter, first remove the yellow blade cover clip. Install the blade using the magnet to hold it in place and replace the yellow blade holding clip. Note the extra blade storage on the back of the tool. The FoamWerks Straight Cutter will connect itself to the side of the Logan FoamWerks Channel Rail. The straight cutter can also be used left-handed by switching the blade to the other side of the tool. To adjust the blade depth on the Logan FoamWerks Straight Cutter, find the dial on the back. This adjusts the gauge on the bottom of the tool, from shallow to deeper. To use the straight cutter, first make sure that you're using a scrap piece of foam board under the foam board that you're going to cut. Use the Logan FoamWerks Channel Rail to mark a reference line where the straight cut is to appear. Turn the rail around so the raised edge aligns along your reference mark, and hook the straight cutter onto the side of the rail. By depressing the front edge of the straight cutter and pulling back, you will now downsize the foam board.